Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, thank you for coming back. So today I am doing a hair review on this hair that was sent to me from Hershe Hair. They sent me 3 bundles of body wave hair. I'm going to actually be installing this hair on my stepdaughter. So I'm going to include some clips of me installing the hair and styling the hair as well. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here so you can follow me there. So you can participate in all my polls, question and answers, and everything I have going on my Instagram. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get started. All right, so let's get right into the box. So this is what the box looks like. It says Hershe Hair on it. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking cute. And this is a wooden box, you guys. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm going to show you everything that came in the box. All right, so when I first open it, it says the brand ambassador box, and it has a card right on top. So the card says, "Thank you for giving me the opportunity to share my gift of passion for hair. I truly hope you enjoy the hair and what's next to come. This is only the beginning. Hershe Hair." So freaking cute. So then we have some paper on top and then a whole bunch of goodies. So let's get into this. So right on top I have a bonnet. Thank you. Then we have a edge wrap. Very cute, and it's all going with the blue teal theme. I love that. Then there is a brush in here. I freaking love these things. I have not tried one of these before, but I've been seeing them all over Instagram. Then I got some shampoo and conditioner. That's so sweet. Oh, and needle and thread. So I'm fully equipped for this sewing for sure. And then inside I have the bundles. And then she aligned the inside of the box with this yellow satin. So freaking cute. So this is how the hair comes packaged. And these are the 3 bundles that I got. So I got 3 bundles of body wave. I'm not sure the origin, but I got a 22, a 20, and an 18. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like straight out the package. It looks so good. Look at the ends. The ends are nice and thick. I love that. So cute. And this is the 18-inch, and then it has a tag with all the hair care on there. This is how thick the bundles look, which I feel like is a very good amount for a bundle. But it feels so good. It has so much bounce. Oh my gosh, Janaea is going to love this. This bundle just feels so full, you guys. Very full. Again, look at the ends. They look so good. So yes, I'm going to install these bundles on Janaea, and I'll put some clips of me installing it. Okay, so this is all 3 of the bundles together. You guys, look how good this hair looks. Bomb. Oh my gosh. And this is the ends close up, so you can see how good they look. This hair is so bomb. Oh my gosh, so good. Janaea is going to love. I can already tell that this is going to be a very full install for sure. Next I'm going to show you guys me installing this hair in her hair, and then also styling it. This hair looks so freaking good and feels so soft, you guys. My fingers just run straight through it. I will have all the information to this hair in the description box. Also the direct link where you can buy this. Also, I'll put a discount code on the screen here you guys can use so you can save some money. But oh my gosh, look. This hair is bomb. And look at the branding. Look at the branding on here. I love this. Just well done. But all right, I'll catch you guys in the next clip with me installing the hair. Thank you again, Hershe here, for sending me this beautiful ambassador box with all the goodies in it. I appreciate it so much. It was way more than I was expecting. I couldn't ask for anything more. Thank you again, everybody, for coming to my channel. If you like these kinds of videos, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.